Alright, y'all, it's Mayberry Money Sign Bounce That. Gonna show y'all how to make fried burgers. Yep. That's what I'm making today. I already baked it up the normal way, you know, just make your patties and put them in there. I used regular ground beef. Nothing special about that part. Ouch, it's hot now. So, what we're gonna do is pour the grease from the burgers. Oh, Lord. Okay, that's good. Take your time. Pour your grease from the burgers in the pan. I already got it hot. You feel me? Now that's burger grease. How to use burger grease, yo. What y'all think about that title? How to use burger grease. Feel me? Now, got burger grease on the stove. You feel me? Got some green peppers in there. I already had them pre-ready. Feel me? Give it a little flavor. Feel me? Then put the burgers on top of the green pepper. Feel me? Got it on high now. Make this a 10-minute video for y'all, man. How to use burger grease. 10 minutes. Yeah. Yo. That's how to use burger grease, y'all. Y'all get the point. I ain't gonna do this for no 10 minutes. Let that bitch sizzle, flip a couple times, use the spatula. Got your green peppers, got your season. Bake it first for about 30, 40 minutes. Flip it a couple times. Burger seasoning. How to use burger-free grease. Mayberry Money Sign Bounce That. Y'all keep that plan.